Hi all, Nick Silverstein here. Just wanted to make a quick guide. I made a written guide again. Sorry for all these written guides, but it's the only way I can do it. I made a written guide again for how to install macOS Sierra or High Sierra, both work, on the DELL Latitude E6500 or the DELL Precision M4400. Now you're probably thinking, oh, Sierra and High Sierra on this model? It's equivalent to the MacBook Pro 5.1. That MacBook Pro is unsupported. Well, if you follow my guide, you can see that DOS Dude 1's tool works in conjunction with the Hackintosh if you follow this guide to a T. So it works perfectly if you install it on these particular models. It does work really well, and if you put an SSD inside of your Dell, you will have a way better experience than putting a traditional hard drive in there. And another note is this will probably work with the E6400 and the equivalent DELL Precision. I'm not as familiar with the DELL Precision line, but I know there's a 14-inch DELL Precision. As long as you have the NVIDIA graphics card, everything will work fine. So, that's all that matters. You just need an NVIDIA model. And I clearly stated here, this guide will only work. I gotta fix that typo, but this guide will only work with the NVIDIA model. But you just follow this guide, and I'm gonna supply you with the EFI folders for the specific model. If you hear something in my throat, if I don't sound like myself, it's because I currently have the flu. But I made this guide, and it's my New Year's / holiday Christmas present for you guys, because I know you guys have wanted this tutorial for a long time, so I made this guide as a Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate around the holidays, present for you guys. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, peace, see ya.